Master that.
I know he master that.
Yeah, man. You don't buy 750. Yeah.
You mean truck tire?
Yeah,
No. But I could link it up for you.
No, I had it.
Add the new tube inside. And the new sleeve inside. Oh, you catching mass by here, man. I put on a cap on it. I don't want to protect. That new brand tube the man bring. And now get the sleeve from my Spanish. And my son trying to put it on and I'm trying to put it on, but we doing the wrong thing because I say let me come and finish, get my little. Yeah.
I was putting them on to drink some more of that. You so strong?
My son said, well, when I go to bring my son, I always say that people pull up where the tire shop, he can't leave. I say, look, I'll go videotape it. I say, right, I'll go videotape it. That is the man there. Wayne, watch Wayne Goodall. And that is the man called John. Well, watch him. We're going on YouTube with this one here. And that is Junior. That is the man, Junior. Junior John. That is the man taking over for me. Hello. He's a star, you know.
Yeah.
Go any part of the YouTube, I have him up as a star.
Yeah.
That is my mentor. That is the man. Let me film the camera to me now.
Well, you just stand over and show all the main stuff when you taking it.
No.
You look like you have a beard. You have to be smart like
boy, you know what people come and take me for happy. I say, listen, all you don't take no man for me, take all your man for yourself.
Yeah, but have a bad resemblance.
Yeah.
They were asking for each other and all the short I like.
What's the height of this man and he calling me short now, watch. I'm a little taller than him. It's just his teeth. His teeth are a little taller.
Yeah. I'm 65 years old.
That ain't nothing.
No,
That's good, man. That's wonderful.
No, make.
That's wonderful.
You're in this struggle out there.
I know what you mean.
So far, I don't make no complaint. Whatever little half a bread I get, I cut it.
No, the Valsem not inside, you know. It's out. Yeah, that Valsem out already. It's a brand new tire.
I see some kind of thing, you see some kind of trouble here, boy. Oh, God. It's the tubeless and them, Jason, them just give real trouble.
I'm making this with my son, you know, because he's the man. He gonna handle the truck tires. I the low profile man. Yeah, they John come my man, I show him how my machine just deal with them low profiles quick. Yeah, I low profile specialist.
Okay. You have a machine like them with them spin machine?
I had the one with the arms.
Hey, they bring one up there in Lavas at time about 2 years ago. I don't know where they get that fucking machine from. That one, I test them sell it as iron, yes?
Okay.
They put them in no money now, they have 45,000.
Well, I done put in the tube already, you know. Yeah.
That tube in this still, no?
I put, there's a brand new tube I put in that this morning.
Try that on the hole now. What pinch is it, Johnny? The tube? You can find me, you know it.
We just want to have an idea on how to put it in the correct way. We don't want to be doing it bad. But they are both a tube, no? Yes, well, there's one way to learn, you know, brother. You don't learn in your mother belly, yeah? What you doing is checking baggage tube and make sure there are no holes in it. This man is on there, let's see this resemblance. Only thing he had teeth, eh? What's your name again? Jason. Jason on that water breads. Man's a professional.
I told that to come right down at the end before you forget it. Two arm shots, right? All that can go in long boy. The way with the long leaf now, I don't know what you can back. Yeah, you want that?
Hey, Chucky. Small Chucky. Right.
Put you in trouble.
That's what Jason watch and learn, you know.
Yeah.
Don't feel it.
How you feel I learn? But to teach you like these, that there is when you jump on
That's a new tire, that's why.
you want a bit of a difference of these sometime.
That way I just take it out. Stand up on it and I take it in and I pump.
The
hammer. Hedges, where's the hammer?
What? Captain.
Alright, let me just get off the quick here because I am. Hold on, Jason. Spanish. I just take it off. Let me take it back off. You go finish it. Let me take it off. 1 minute, just now. Just now. Let me take it off. Where the hammer?
Chisel hammer. Yeah. And give me a long chisel.
Just now.
John.
Go ahead, John. Give me back the camera.
Take that one. That's you.
Yeah, go ahead. Certain secrets I looking for now.
Yeah.
John, I'm going to tell you. You have to pick up my gun.
Are you putting the flap and everything alright?
Right, now the secrets I'm looking for are bad too, but I need to learn the secrets. Of course, we all see Spanish doing. Spanish not out here now.
Take care.
Alright. So once that pinch, you go numbers? Ah, so he said pinch.
What get pinch? The flap?
The flap.
Why not pinch? You have a line in it? No. You have a line inside it?
Right?
I use nice little needle screwdriver and take out like long time.
Ya pensé,
What a good? Catch the fucking thing, eh? If I plan was to catch this, I want to catch it.
Win.
Hey, listen. Long time not see, brother.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, man. I think you're going strong still.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, man.
Tyre. You put something.
All my partners have been a party already. I don't know who's in the first place. You can't do nothing for that. You see, I look at them, got the time out for that. Who's my young girlfriend still? I don't know if night and she has to say, well, I can't hear any bank. I thought I was giving her a joke. You see them two girls? You go to the home and you say, that's okay, you hear any bank. And you go in so. I said, ah. Every day I change your place. You say, this and that, you don't work. You ain't going to come on it? Right, there was a problem with Tyre till tight. You're selling that flap. Should I leave it? I will be it. How's that get clearance today? That I going now. That I fit in like a virgin.
Just I want that to straight. Ah, shit.
You don't want to be bad first again? No, so no. Alright, that's today. Water. Find that one going inside.
A brand new tire, see.
Yeah. Sometimes
Bring your oil around.
it is.
Well, I started to get frightened when I see that raise up like that and all, I see, well, like I'm doing shit.
Nah. Fire is fitting tight. You go down? Come on, can I go down with it?
I think good like before you.
Alright.
I think good like before. Basically, I hardly fucking seen him.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
I
You know
hardly,
how long you gonna have that problem?
hardly fucking see.
You have to use Jason Nice now, man.
Jason is for woodwork. Jason, we want to rub wood. And that is a trade I went to learn, eh, breds? And when I went to learn that, I stand up from where the, let me say the woodwork place.
Yeah.
And I stand up where the car is there. When I watch over, I only see dust all over. I can't see inside. I said, I do so.
Not you.
Not me.
Does that secure?
Doesn't affect anything. Not me. Anything.
I
The only time we should go in dust is when we're dead.
True.
That doesn't mean nothing.
It doesn't mean to pass on the lava so a big truckload of
Alright,
dust.
that's the machine in the rocket. I train plenty dust.
It's one that's mass.
Nice, that's what we're talking about. Lock. Try me lock. Right.
Yeah, this part was for that first half to go, you know.
Now, well, I just needed how to, or need to know how to sanction that now, boy, because I thought I doing something wrong,
No.
but I was doing it right.
Praise God is not a double fucking rim. Them one there, the rim.
I know, but
You got
unless
one
there's
on the rim?
something opposite, eh?
Hey, partner.
Of
Yeah,
course.
double rim
Scrap
is,
down.
Them is the one I freed. Look at me settle that.
Listen, it have a ring around, and then this one,
that one
you have to
afraid.
pong out that first.
Oh, that kill you, you know. What time, man, that kill?
My son. Yeah, my son. Yeah, my son, go down and let's videotape it for me. Because see well good. He learn very quick.
Yeah. Who you are, your boy?
Yeah, my second son.
Okay.
No, that chisel.
That's that. John, don't tell him, don't afraid him how she can't a little bit, he talking too much, you know, John.
No, John, no, I know doing. Hey,
That good, man.
you see, you have to what? You see how this kiss here? You see how you open?
Here, there's a pong in here a little bit, eh?
Yeah,
That's what you mean.
That look of your fucking neck.
You know?
Right, you see how you're
Right.
there? Right, that is it.
That is it, that's it.
And what? Trust me. Don't put no oil on there.
Uh-huh.
Don't put that fucking oil on there. Put water.
Right, pressure him up, pressure him up.
Hey, put oil.
How much is it? How many put it on, John? How much is this got?
This taking about 80.
80 pong. Well, I normally give them about 15 years.
Yeah, damn, right, let you explain.
But he is
Why is
tell-
that going in here to settle it, eh? Because that is what does kill you. You understand my movie say like here alone dead.
Yeah.
My partner, you know, I know you're telling me what. See how we get tight enough the way set. We can't wait until we get tight this up. I like the ocean, but I don't like the double ring. Yeah. I might put it up, but I wouldn't take that.
Johnny get a new equipment there, boy. You see, you get a new pressure gauge.
Yeah.
Hello, this is my guru, that's my mentor, you know. This man teach me a lot. A bad story, you know, but what is going on, boy? I just find it smart. Can walk. You see everything you're doing, eh? I was doing that home. But I said, let me come and just see Spanish.
Spanish teaching from small, boy.
Yeah, I come here from small, you know.
For 40 years, he had me here. I was about 20 and my son, I over 40 years I here with Spanish. But I said, no, let's run the tires about to fix out the no tires and bring tires.
Bring the gauge.
We do have a gauge on this man?
Yeah, but they can't go up to this one.
Oh.
Yeah, that, you get chopped and he said me that gauge in 3 rocks.
Right Chinese thing.
I get that about 400.
Yeah.
No, I just like, I want to make sure that I do the correct thing, the right thing. The leaking span, when I mean a leaking, you ain't be getting no pressure if it leaking there, you know.
Nah, you get that is the air.
Or you letting go,
No pressure.
or you pressure in what? One just making noise. It's not pressure in. When it's so, it pressure in. I had to study it Spanish.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, stop it. You see, never too old to learn.
Spanish.
That old people don't think you are coming in here, you know.
Leave it on 50. How much you put it?
Only have 50.
That leave it. That good. Thanks again, man. Yes, man. And smile for the camera, Spanish.